In this video, I'm going to show you how to link to a website and then also link to a sound. These are a couple features with the linking aspect that can come in really handy as you're working with students. So first, I'll just show you how to link to a website. So what I'll do is I'll come out to, let's go, new one, and we'll just do MBA.com. So if I was going to link that picture of a basketball out to MBA.com, what I would do is select the URL up here in the address bar. And then right click and select copy. And then I would come back to my Smart Notebook document. And what I would do is I would just select that object. So I can do that by either clicking on it, or I can do that by clicking and dragging my blue select rectangle over top of that, and which is called a marquee select. So if I click the drop down and then I click on link, it's going to ask me, do I want to link to a web page, a page in the file, or a file on this computer. I'll show you these two in another video, but for right now, I'm going to link to MBA.com. So what I would do is right click and click paste. We could paste that address into the bar here. And then I can either choose to have a corner icon or actually link to the object. So I'll show you both. If I hit OK, notice there's this little icon here. So when I hover over it, it'll allow me to click and take me to MBA.com. The other way is if I went back and clicked on link, and I could do the object itself. So I could have where it would actually link just to that object. Now, just something to keep in mind is if you're sharing this document with a colleague, they may not know a link is there. So what I would do is keep it consistent, either choose to do it this route or to click link and do a corner icon. One way, if you are using a document and you're not sure if there's a link there, if you come up to view, you can show all links and it will flash any links that are available. So even if there isn't this icon here, it'll actually show the link in the document. Okay. So then another way is that I can actually link to a sound. So let's say I wanted to say and have this vocabulary activity, and I wanted to say the word basketball, and the students click on it and would hear that word. So I would same thing, select the object, click in the upper right hand corner, and go to sound. And then what I can do is either browse for a sound off of my computer, or I can, and they're going to be looking for an MP3 is the type of file that you're going to be adding to it. So if I click browse, it's going to either be an AIF, MP3, WAV, or WMA. So those are the different options for files that you can use to upload. Or you can record your own. So if I hit start recording, it's going to record what I'm saying. It can't be any longer than a minute, but I might say basketball. And I hit stop, it's now going to say, give me the same option of attaching. Now you see the sound right here. So if I click on it, and it would play the sound basketball. My sound right now is not up, so let's just turn it up. So that is how you would link a sound to an object. So in this video, I showed you how to link out to a URL. So if I click on this, it'll take me out to MBA.com. Otherwise, linking to a sound or a sound file in your computer.